TechMW.
Okay, there was a slight issue with the 2006 MacBook. I must admit, don't worry too much about this. You will see. Yeah. So that's happened. It's a little bit of a problem. Ooh, whoa, look at that. You know, I was doing another video and it fell off the desk, and then this part of the screen just got absolutely whacked, and then yeah, the actual screen doesn't even like line up properly anymore. It's yeah, we're gonna turn this thing into like a Commodore 64 kind of thing, where we rip the screen off and then it's just going to be used as like, you know, with a keyboard and trackpad until we can eventually get a new screen, because that's probably what I'll do anyway. But yeah, for now we're going to tear this thing off. It's going to be an interesting video. You know, I've got the old tripod, haven't had this out in years, and yeah, we're gonna tear this thing apart, shall we? Let's get on with it. Get up, you stupid charger. Right, there we go. No, I'm gonna grab every possible screwdriver. We've got more big ones. There you go. These ones. I think we've got a sufficient amount of screwdrivers. I should probably mention I have absolutely no idea how to take these apart, so that's a good start. Wait, no, I am supposed to be doing these. No, no, they do. They screw into the keyboard on the other side. I'm being numpty. How much unscrewing can that take? It does not want to go. Come on. Go on, son, come on. Right, thread. Keyboard, we're gonna heave up. Oh, whoa. Hey, right, success. Do you know what I think would be crazy? Should I do like a custom modification and basically get a massive heatsink on this old MacBook? Oh, here we go. Are we ready? Oh, no. Oh, it's this screw. Okay. Whoa! And then we've just got this cable here, which is, are we gonna want to put another screen on this? Realistically, I feel like I've lost so many of the screws. Should we just cut this off? Should we get the pliers out? Right, we're gonna go into beast. We're just gonna like go for it and find the pliers. Pliers? My pliers are gone. A pair of scissors. Yeah, we're gonna safely cut. Yeah. We're gonna twist it. We're gonna do the old twist strategy. Yeah. Is it off? Oh, one of the bits is off. Yeah. The screen is off. Right, that was smooth, wasn't it? That was the most cringeworthy thing you've probably ever seen. We have what is basically a Commodore 64 right here. We've got all of our internals. Let's just as you can see, we've got the whole desk set up here going. Don't you worry about that. That's all good. We're going to plug this thing back in safely. You know, we do things safely right here. So we're gonna just grab the and we're gonna plug that in as safely as possible, and we're gonna kind of just pop the keyboard back on. Wow, that's pretty cool actually. Right, let's plug this into a monitor and we'll give that a go. I actually think we're going to plug it into this boy over here. So we're going to grab the this. Ignore the PC bar. This is my original gaming PC. Here, I see you already. Ignore the like the old trim phone. Ow! I gave myself pins and needle. Ow! Right. Oh no, it doesn't plug in. Oh no. Oh no! Ignore what's happening over here. We've basically just got the another monitor which has DVI. Shove that in there. There we go. Kind of turn that on. Yeah! MagSafe. Oh, there's a screw in there. Commodore 64 time. It chimed. Oh! It spat out the disc. Is it detecting it as the main? No. That's not the right thing at all. 10.4 Intel. Here we go. Right. We're going to hold the Alt key and we're going to plug it in. Right, let's kind of shove that in there. Never mind the fact that we can't get it out again. Yes! It's detecting it as the main screen. We can do this. This is a project. This is an actual good project. Okay. I've just had a wild idea. Why don't we build like our own iMac? Right? So we take the keyboard off of this, we take like the back off this monitor, and we just attach it to the back so the ports are available. So you can still like access the CD drive and the ports and stuff, but it's like stuck to it, and then we can put the thingy on it. Sorry? This thing does not want to take any disk now. Like straight up. Right, this is more promising. We found an old drive. I think it was probably from this MacBook originally. I hope we don't get like a do not entry sign if it like, you know, if it loads thingy-majiggy again. Yes! Oh no, it thinks it's the secondary screen. Oh dear. Okay, that's a slight issue. Okay, I found something that's gonna make my life a lot easier. Yeah, it just works like that. The mouse clicks aren't registering anymore. That's peculiar. Right, let's grab another. We may have broken the button. Let's find another mouse quickly. No, it's not the trackpad. Yeah, it's not taking anything from the mouse. It's like it's moving with the mouse, but it's not actually doing anything. Right, we've apparently got Snow Leopard on here, so I'm going to use that and we'll see what happens. Hopefully this actually does work. I have no idea what's wrong with Tiger, but this is working fine. Right, displays then. 800 by 600, can we go? We can go all the way up to 1080p. Oh. No. Right, I've seen the issue. We can do 1080p. The problem is, me hitting that key is mirroring them. So I can only go up to the MacBook's screen's resolution, right? So, what I'm going to do, move that across, and make this the main screen. Yes! That's what we want. That's what we want to see. Hey! Look at this. We've got like a full-on headless MacBook now. I am most pleased. This has been like, you know, it's been a bit chaotic, but yeah, it's not too bad. But I mean, yeah, 1080p. Wow. It struggles with that animation, but it's fine. It's working. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say other than thanks for watching this one. I'm not going to go any further today because I've done so much already, and it's working. It's working. And now my dock is just as I said it was working. It doesn't matter. Thanks very much for watching this one, and I will see you in the next video.